The van's making some strange noise. Not sure what that is. Okay, so pretty much unable to determine this by myself, but all the car shops are closed today. Happened to stop by a car parts store. There was a customer there who said, hey, you might want to check this. So I'm going to check it out. All right, tires back on, everything's back in place. Hopefully that heat shield is all that was causing that noise. I'm going to back it out, drive down the road, see what happens. All right, we're in. Let's see if we hear any noise. Let's go for a drive. Sounds like we're in good shape.